March 31st, and I wanted to start with our reveal of our Writer's Workshop race mystery picture response from yesterday. So I'm curious to see how many of you guys were on the right track with this one, because this one is so interesting and such a mystery to me that I'm curious to see what you guys got. Let's go to the reveal. Okay, this week's image comes from August 30th, 2017. The original caption reads, "The Akwesasnes tumbling from a high dive in 1951. The article states, "Have you heard of the Akwesasnes? Think of them like the Harlem Globetrotters of city pools." So Harlem Globetrotters are like a comedy basketball team, kind of like Space Jam. Okay? The performance troupe combined swimming and diving with comedy, theater, and other fanfare, like music, props, and zebra-striped costumes, to offer New Yorkers full-time entertainment beginning in the 1940s. They got their start in Astoria Pools in Queens. So much enthusiasm from city dwellers that their stunts evolved into large annual spectacles called the Aqua Show and Flushing Meadows. Wow. They grew into an extravaganza of splashing aqua bells and aqua boos. So bells is girls, and bows, aqua bows, are boys. Graceful skaters, comics, and music. New York Times wrote in 1954 that year, in addition to the Akwesasnes, the show boasted numbers with long-tailed monkeys named Herman and the Aquadorables, and a group of water ballerinas. Members of the Akwesasnes would later become lifeguards, famous swimmers, professional divers, and even a special agent with the FBI. Circus tricks, and they later ended up becoming like professional athletes and stuff. That's crazy. Was any of you guys on the right track with maybe the circus idea or performance idea? I thought maybe with this like stage here, I don't know. Let's go ahead and move on to our Writer's Workshop mystery picture for today. Here's our picture for today. So we have such an interesting picture here. And we're going to do the same thing that we've been doing. I want you to answer the prompt, what is going on in this picture, using race. So you're going to say, what's going on in this picture, restate, is yada yada yada. I know this because you're going to give evidence as to why you're saying that. And then you're going to explain. I know this because this and this and this and this. Okay? So you're going to do your race response to this mystery picture. Okay, in other news, if you haven't already, I have sent you guys Google Classroom invitations. So how to get to your Google Classroom, to start using Google Classroom, how to get to it is you need to go to your Las Cruces Public Schools email. So it's usually your last name, first name, at lcpsmail.org. So like for me, mine is Shields Dominica at lcpsmail.org. And then your password should be LCPS and then your lunch number. And so if you go there through your email and then you go up to your, I'll show you. And then you go up to your little 9 dots up here, and then you go to Google